All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got the Rossi survival rifle right here, 45 Colt 410, and just showing that this right here, through this, had a spike come out and took the shot on the spike, went in through the left shoulder and had a complete pass through. I'm gonna fixing to show it. Dropped it on the spot. So, and that was about 30 yards. Now the actual shot on the deer isn't the greatest footage because of the glare from the sun. But here I'm just gonna show y'all. Yeah, I got a ouchie. Gonna show y'all just show y'all real quick. Dropped it on the spot and then show the exit wound on it as well. So if you don't want to see something graphic, turn off the video now. Alright, there you go. That is the Rossi 45 Colt survival rifle. Just dropped the spike in the trunk. Got a exit wound right there, so it was a straight pass through the heart lungs area right there. All right, here we go. That's that Bourne's Vor-Tx. It actually is a complete pass through. There's the exit on the other shoulder. We went in right in there, went through the innards, both shoulders, and that's the exit right there. 45 Colt.